Nelson Palma, and I passed my electrical, and I passed my fire alarms, and then after that I came and passed the unlimited stay, and now I came back, and then I took my AC, and then I passed the AC. Any people that want to come, that want to be a contractor, they have to come over. Come over, and they will explain you in English or Spanish. They will explain you what you have to do to to be to be a good contractor.